This is the elevator at the Marshall store at the outlets of Bergen Town Center in Paramus, New Jersey. Let's go down to LL. £2,500 capacity. Wow, the chimes haven't been back for a couple years now. Interesting to see that they're back. It's a 2,500 capacity. Added ADA phone installed in 1994. Let's go back up to UL. Re-level. And here we go. LL. Bell works. So the chimes are finally back on this thing. Interesting to see it's back. This may be the final ride actually, because I believe this elevator is going to get replaced with a 338 if Burlington moves in. It's still very nice fixtures at that. Oh, actually no, this is a piece of crap, so I'm happy it's getting ripped out. I hate to say. You know what? I'm going to take this for one more ride. Three's enough though. Hello. And as we all know, the door close button doesn't work. But the chimes are finally back. And the indicator obviously is not correct, as it should say LL and UL. So the indicator is not correct, but the chimes are back. So I'll give it that. They won't be around for long though. Same goes for this fluorescent light fixture. This will be a replacement for 338. There's your elevator interlock. There's the cab. There it goes, and that's it.